Alright, market's about to open. It probably already is. No, it is in a few seconds. But, yeah, anyway. Gotta finish charting. Alright, just opened. Jeez, bro. God, it's so annoying. Um, these hourlies. Same with these. Swept those. Those all the way down here. Um, God. So fucking annoying. Holy. What's the 4 hour looking like? Yeah, I mean, I think we're sitting at all-time highs right now, yeah. So, this will be interesting, bro, how we trade this, honestly, because we just keep running. Bull run. Freaking bull run. So, we're gonna have to see kind of what happens. See what Nas is looking like. Um, Okay. Looks like we have dang near equal lows down there. 30, man. Um, we're gonna have to see this. The high. So we open lower. Created this imbalance. We inverse this gap. The 5 minute. Currently in this 15-minute gap. But we have like all these gaps here, so we're most likely long until proven otherwise. It's just hard at all-time highs. It's hard to know what to target and stuff, so we're gonna have to see what what we can do. Let's see. So we got a sweep here, and then that's what caused this rally up. I have these stacked lows down here. I don't mind that, but that's a long ways down. Um, we're retracing right now, pretty deep. So probably want to wait another 10 minutes to see if we can inverse this 15-minute. Um, then we have all these gaps down here, bro. So that's the hard part. Such an imbalance. Such an imbalance in price range here and even here too. But especially here. But we'll just have to wait and see kind of what we do. See if we form this 5 minute. I'd like to see if we do anything off this 5 minute. Yeah, I'd like to see what we do off this 5 minute. Same thing on NAS, if we even do anything off it. Oh, they just posted this Strait of Hormuz completely open, ready for business, full passage. Okay. I don't know. That might be. Mm, oh man. But so we formed this gap as well. It doesn't really matter to us though. But yeah, we're kind of bullish till proven wrong, in my opinion. But we're gonna see. Looking like, yeah, we just right now we just gotta wait. But it's looking kind of like ES is a little more bullish than NAS today, at least as of right now. But I'm really just I want to see the bear. So this is a bearish gap here. I want to see this get invalidated here. I need to see bearish confluences get invalidated in a way. But this one doesn't really matter. This is the gap that we care about right here because these are stacked. And so the one that's highest is the one that matters. If we inverse this, it doesn't matter. But we're also needing NAS. We need NAS to at least inverse this one. Because obviously this is more bullish index. So this is the more bearish one. We need confirmation on the more bearish index. So then we're able to take longs in the opposite direction on the other index, if that makes sense. That's good if this happens, but but we need more confirmation than just that. We need to see on NAS as well. We have to wait for them to be aligned. You know what I mean? Because we could easily, hey, inverse this, but then stay within this gap here or something like that. And then, we create boom SMT or something and then boom. You know what I mean? So much potentials, you know what I mean? But like, bro, we have to, whoops. Like, bro, we have, you know what I'm saying? Like, step one is at least inverse this one. We might not on this candle, but on the next 5 minute, we may just straight up inverse this and this to be clean. But, then if we start respecting bearish confluences, then hey, we're going to go lower. You know what I mean? So, but ideally, I don't really want to go lower. But, but we also have to look at the higher time frame as well, bro. Like this chart is, you know what I mean? Bull run, bull run, bull run. So what do we expect more? Bull run, Yeah, we might retrace because market doesn't just move straight up. We're gonna, I kind of got into that yesterday, but and it's vice versa as well. You know, if we need ES to give us respecting bearish because that would be the more bullish index in a sense if we were trying to go short. You know what I mean? So it's like, like, bro, it's just so many scenarios and stuff that we have to be aware of. That's what makes this shit hard. But yeah, bro. As of right now, we respected this gap and now we're opening bearish right now. So, I mean, hey, like, you know what I mean? Like, right now we're in 5 minute equilibrium, really. If it like right now we're kind of doing opposite of what I said. We're respecting these gaps right now. Nas Nas were definitely more bearish because we didn't even push into this gap. Wait, did we? No, we didn't even push into it. So I mean, obviously we're a little more bearish on Nas. So like, bro, I would rather the longs, but I don't really want to go against this right now. But like, I'm leaning a little more towards longs, but could easily be wrong. You know, if price tells us we gotta we gotta look at the chart and see what the hell it's showing us. But right now it's showing something different. You know what I mean? So we gotta we gotta sit on our hands, still see what we want. Like, bro, you gotta think higher time frame. We took out like we're all time highs right now. Like, it's worst thing to do is just try and short the market when you're at all time highs, man. So I mean, because this doesn't look bad. So I mean, brother, like, still in bearish order flow right now. So I mean, Mm. Oh, shoot. Shit. We gotta this is where I'm gonna be. This is pivotal, brother. Will we break? Did we? Alright, we're in. We are in. We broke. There's not much draws on liquidity here. Damn, bro, I don't like the look of that at all, boy. Shoot. Bro, wait. I mean, this doesn't look great because we just swept these. Oh, bro. Yeah, we're probably smoked. I'm closing this. Get me in. See what happens here, bro. Let's see what happens here, brother. Trying to log in on my phone real quick. We have this bullish SMT. It's the main reason I took that trade. Bro, stop. Bro, stop. This better not just be a sweep of those highs. I want to see a 5 minute break of structure, but fudge, bro. It's I low key rushed into that trade, but which was probably kind of dumb. But you know what? I don't like that, broski. Hopefully that's just filling this gap. I don't know if really just we didn't break, bro. That's not good. ES broke, but it doesn't really mean much because NAS we need to see some shit happen, man. Thing is though, if we yeah, I want to say yeah, if we inverse this gap, then I'm pretty sure shorts probably is the play. So that sucks. We honestly got like manipulated if that's the case. Because if we do that on NAS, like, bro, we're still. Let's see how we react off of this, bro. Like, I'm not trying to close early, but this is where the trade gets invalidated, honestly, if it inverses this. So, no point to hold all the way back down here. So, so yeah. At least we closed bullish on that. But brother, like, come on. Now 1 minute low. Need a 5 minute break, Bresky. So bro, ES is like running though. That's the thing. I'm not liking that it's just stuck. ES just keeps running. Like I maybe should have longed on ES, but I don't know. I mean, probably got ahead of myself. So brother, we really need Nas to break, and it's not gonna happen. I don't think. It's still maintaining 1 minute order flow here to the upside, which we need. But bro, we need we need some more, man. We need some more. But the thing is, like, bro, if ES grabs this shit, Nas all the way down here, like, bro, like, I'd probably close because Broski. Because Broski, that would be a fat S&T. So, probably should have entered the trade on ES, I guess. Yeah, I definitely should have. It is what it is, though. Did we break 5 minute structure? Yeah, we broke 5 minute structure. Broke here. Feeling a little better than us. I assume we get some sort of 5 minute retrace before going all the way up here, but I don't know. That's all time highs there, I think. Nas all the way up there, all time highs. That's a little ambitious, but I mean, mm, we just about grabbed. Probably ought to move to break even here soon. Just to protect ourselves, which is still pretty close up here, but I mean, Nas is just not moving as quick as ES, so no way we leave this though, that's the thing. Bro, yeah, like this would have been a nice ass long on. The thing is though, like we could take this and then that creates a bearish SMT and then that just makes Nas not move much. But at the same time, we gotta think like look at how we've been moving. So it's like Nas would probably want to flood up, especially it being the like yeah, it just did. So now ES just bro, this is like I want to move break even. I bro, I just really think Nas wants these, bro. I genuinely think it wants it. Am I being greedy, bro? Am I being greedy? Genuinely. I don't know. Genuinely. Like, dude, I genuinely don't know what I'm trying to do on this right now. Like, could I close half? Like, I want to just kind of hold it low key, but rogue 5 minute structure. Hmm. I mean, broski, like, I don't like how it's like, I don't, yeah, bro. Like, it's hard to say, cause like, it's hard to try and still be in a trade when we're all the way up here on one and we're fucking like, bro. At the time, Nas was leading, bro. Especially because we have S&Ts in our direction as well. Like, higher low here, lower low here. You know, it's just unfortunate. Um, but price, oh man, I, I don't know. Hold up, let me check this shit real quick. Shit, man. Damn, I had a fat loss, bro, on that first one. Holy, oh my lord, this still doesn't even pro. Golly. We're still moving up, just slowly but surely, but so I like that. Like I would love to hold all the way to all-time highs, but mm, starting to get a big decent move down right now, so shoot. Go back up, broski. I want to see us just sweep the lows and then move higher, but brother, damn, bro, move higher off that. Yeah, keep doing that. Shit, because we got to realize we're not just gonna, we have to, which is scary sometimes, but we have to just hold it. But it's hard because this could be such a big, bro, what the fuck? Sorry. Like, this could be such a big S&T, bro. So, it's hard, man. It's hard, bro. It's hard. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's unfortunate how this kind of went, but like that. But, like, bruh, with all that. Bro, I just don't understand why Naz is so much lower. Genuinely, like, it's like, bro, it's like so much lower. I don't get that. Like, genuinely, so much lower. Genuinely, it's so much lower, so I don't like that. That first loss sucks too, cause yeah, but it was a good trade though, so I mean, broski, we gotta just wait here. There's potential in coming back and sweeping this again. And then is there a 1 minute? Yeah, there's a 1 minute low here. We gotta keep an eye on this 5 minute gap, bro. That would suck if this is a fat SMT, bro. That would fucking blow, bro. Would fucking blow some dick. But I don't want that, bro. Yeah, we gotta see a break back to the upside. We're still maintaining 1 minute on ES2 as well, I think. So, yeah, that's still good there. But it's just now it's a case where fuck Naz is looking, like it's kind of shit in bed, right? But, you know, mm, still have some room for this, but bro, it's just, dude, we need it to start moving now. Not do that. Oh, damn, it just stopped me out break even, bro. I'm not even trying to be emotional, but I want to enter again because this looks good, bro. But what is that wick, though? Mm, oh shit. I didn't realize it was still off. I want to enter again, but it just stopped me out at break even on this fucking insane wick, so yeah, that sucks. Yeah, probably just gotta hop off, honestly. So, um, yeah. Anyway, love and appreciate y'all boys. See you Monday or something.